Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to learn 20 vegetable names in English with simple sentences. Let's start learning. Carrot. This is a carrot. It is orange and good for our eyes. Potato. This is a potato. We use it to make many delicious foods. Tomato. This is a tomato. It is red and juicy. Onion. This is an onion. It has a strong smell and taste. Cabbage. This is cabbage. It is green and leafy. Cauliflower. This is cauliflower. It looks like a white flower. Spinach. This is spinach. It is very healthy and full of iron. Eggplant. This is eggplant. It is purple and soft. Cucumber. This is a cucumber. It is cool and refreshing. Pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. It is big and orange. Radish. This is radish. It is white and crunchy. Garlic. This is garlic. It has a strong smell and is good for health. Ginger. This is ginger. It is spicy and used in tea and cooking. Chili. This is chili. It is hot and spicy. Peas. These are peas. They are small and green. Corn. This is corn. It is yellow and sweet. Broccoli. This is broccoli. It looks like a small tree. Beetroot. This is beetroot. It is red and very healthy. Lettuce. This is lettuce. It is used in salads. Bell pepper. This is bell pepper. It comes in many colors like red, green, and yellow.